Hey guys, it's the Chad, and I'm here to show you how to change out a cabin air filter on a 2011 to 2019 Ford Explorer. I know performing maintenance on your own vehicle can be a little bit intimidating, especially if you don't have mechanical skills. But there's no need to pay a mechanic $50 to $75 to change out a $10 or $12 filter. If you follow my easy steps, you can have this done in less than 10 minutes. So first thing first, what is a cabin filter and what are they supposed to do? Well, as the name implies, they're a filter inside the vehicle cabin. Now they filter out contaminants, pollen, dust, dirt, pet hair, and dead skin. They also improve the efficiency of your HVAC system, air quality, and help improve the smell in the interior of the vehicle. Ford and most vehicle manufacturers are going to recommend that you change out these cabin filters about every 12 to 18,000 miles or once a year. I think a lot of times why people don't change out their cabin air filters because they don't even know they have one. Before we can change this filter out, you need to start thinking like some Ford engineer that has no idea about vehicle maintenance. Where would they hide a cabin filter? Would it be under the hood where it's super easy to get to? No. Would it be under some side access panel? Absolutely not. Would it be behind the glove box where you partially have to disassemble the dash? Absolutely, and why wouldn't they design it that way? But this is not as intimidating as it sounds, so follow my easy steps and we'll have this changed out in less than 10 minutes. So I've seen several videos on how to change out these filters, but people are disassembling the dash way too far just to gain access to the filter. All you really need is a flat blade screwdriver and come in here and pry off this side access panel. You want to be careful that you don't break the tabs, so be gentle as you do it. And there you go. Now we have the side access panel off, and you can see the right side of the glove box has this tension strap doohickey thing that's going to need to be pried off. So now with the glove box open, you just need to go through and take the tension strap loose. Just pull it back at you and pop it loose of the button, and it'll spring back under the dash. So the next thing you do is reach your hand to the back of the glove box, find the stops, push up on them, and let the door drop down. Now that we're under the dash, we need to be careful that we're not fiddling or getting too aggressive with wires under here. You don't want to make a surprise appearance of the old passenger side airbag and break your face. Directly behind the glove box door is our cabin filter housing. Now this is the access door for it. What you can do is get a screwdriver and pry here and here and try to pull this door straight down. Might take a little effort, but try not to break the tabs. Once you do, now you have your cabin filter. Now it is important before you remove this to ensure that you look at the airflow. So the airflow is going to be coming from the top of the vehicle down. To remove the filter, it's pretty easy. You can come in here with your finger or a small screwdriver. It's pretty flexible and just pull it straight out. If you happen to pull your used filter out and there's no marking or indication of which direction airflow is, one easy way you can do this is open the baffles of your filter. And if you see debris or chunks of material, that's a pretty good indication that the air is moving from the top of the vehicle down towards the bottom. So when you install your new filter, make sure you put the airflow arrow down. So if you ever wondered if cabin filters actually work, they do. I mean, this is disgusting. So there could be the question, should I just try to clean out this filter or just replace it? Can you blow one of these out? That didn't work. That really didn't work either. Well, we know that didn't work. There's no reason why you shouldn't spend the 10 or 12 bucks, shoot over to Amazon and buy yourself a new filter. So now it's time to install the new filter. Now you can see, like we talked about before, the airflow arrow should be pointing down towards the bottom of the vehicle. This one's on the side, not the face like the previous model. Now we're just going to install this in the reverse order that we removed it. Slide it back into the filter housing, grab your door, slide it back up into the grooves, and lock it tight. Now you just need to put your glove box back together in the reverse order that we took it apart. If you guys are interested in one of these filters, I'll put a link in the description below. The cool thing is, it not only fits the 2011 to 19 Ford Explorer, it also fits the Ford Flex, the Ford Taurus, and the police interceptors. Now you've done it. For less than 10 minutes of your time and 10 to 12 bucks, you can officially say you're a mechanic. If you found this video valuable, smash the like button, subscribe. That way I can make more videos like this. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.